ready for another great afternoon of learning?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we're going to work with some more addition word problems. And today we're going to read and we're going to solve addition word problems. And those word problems, the same thing as reading a story. You're going to read some information, and it's going to have somebody's name on it, and it's going to tell you something that somebody has. So that's the information that it's giving you.
I thought you wanted money.
Yeah. You're part of the story. So you're going to read these stories, and you're going to figure out what information it's giving you, and you're going to take that information, and you're going to show it in numbers. Those numbers are going to be written down here in the addition sentence. That's why I have show your work. Because we got to prove that the information up in our story is correct. Okay, everybody? So what are we going to do today for math again? We're going to, let's do the objective together. The math objective today, everybody read and solve addition word problem. Okay, our first word problem. I know everybody's going to be a good participant on the rug today. They're going to be good listeners, and they're going to give their classmates their attention because you want their attention when you're up here working hard, right? All right, so Iman, everybody, let's read the word problem together. Iman has. We don't know how many apples she has, do we?
One.
We don't know how many apples she has, right?
I got 2.
So I'm going to give Iman a bag of apples. I'm going to give Iman a bag of apples.
3. I got 4. No.
Hold your bag of apples.
You got 5. 3.
Hold those bag of apples.
I got. In my hand. 3.
Hold those bag of apples. So Iman, you're going to count your apples and you're going to put them on that board right there. Keep your apples on the board, and I need to hear you counting. You can sit back. That's why it's on the board so you can see. How many apples do you have?
5.
Okay, Iman, I need you to come write 5.
Let me count. Yeah.
Very good counters. Everybody agree that she has 5?
Yeah.
All right, write 5 right here, Iman.
It's like 5.
All right, thank you, Iman. All right, and the second part of our story for our addition word problem, the next person is Assad. It says Assad has how many grapes? Let's everybody read that sentence again. Assad has. We don't know how many grapes he has, do we?
No.
All right, so I have to give Assad his bag of grapes. Assad, go back to your spot until I get the grapes.
I put my back here.
Don't come over until I give you the grapes. All right, Assad, here's your grapes, sweetie. Leave your bag right there because you're going to put them back in there in a second, okay? Assad, set your grapes on the other board.
I have 3. I have 3.
All right, put them on the board. We need to hear you count. Count your grapes.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so Assad, how many grapes do you have?
3.
All right, everybody count Assad's grapes. I need you to write 3 right here. Very good. Assad, write 3 grapes right here. You need some help to write the number 3? Okay. Right there. Thank you, Assad.
I'm going to put it back.
All right, so Assad, go back and sit over by your area with your grapes. And Mian's going to be right here. So the question is, everybody, let's read the question together. How many do they have? And we know this is what type of math again? What kind of math is it? Zeros are we doing? Addition. Very good. So in addition, what do? We have a number. We have another number. What do we do with it, Jeremy? How do you put it together? Show me how we put things together with your hands. Vladimir, how do we put it together? Joseph, how do we put it together? Carlton, how do you put it together? Assad, how do you put it together? Josiah, how do you put it together? Timothy, how do you put it together? And Iman, how do you put it together, sweetie? Okay, so we're going to put that together. We're going to move both of these boards by each other. And we're going to count. Everybody ready to count? All right, let's count the grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, have in all?
8.
8. So we gotta write that answer right here. We gotta write that answer right there. So now we're gonna show our work. We know how many apples Iman has. Iman, how many apples did you have again?
5.
How many grapes did Assad have?
3.
All right. So 5
5
plus 3 equals how many?
8.
Did we show our work?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Jeremy. Let's read the next one. When she's done, okay? You gotta wait till she's done. Ready, Jeremy? Jeremy has blank red cubes. Stand on the brown carpet. All right? Jeremy has blank red cubes. Jeremy doesn't know how many red cubes he has, does he? Let's read that sentence again, everybody. I know. I need you to move over here. I know. Thank you for letting me know it's purple. I know. Set it down now. Back on the carpet, sweetie. Not only are you done your turn. Set it right there. Thank you, sweetie. Move back over to your spot. All right, ready? Let's read this sentence again. Let's read that sentence again. Ready, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Jeremy has blank red cubes. So I'm gonna give Jeremy his red cubes. I'm gonna give Jeremy his red cubes. Jeremy, I need you to count those red cubes on this paper board right here. I need you to count those red cubes on the board.
Attention please, would the 7th and 8th graders please proceed to the gymnasium? The 7th and 8th grade.
Open the bag up and take it out. Open the bag up
Would
and
the
take it
7th
out.
and 8th grade students please
Go
report
get
to
your
the
red cube.
gymnasium? Thank you.
You ready, Jeremy? You gotta count those red cubes, Jeremy. How many red cubes do you have?
7.
Can you write it up here in your spot? So how many cubes did Jeremy have, everybody?
7.
Right there.
7.
Very good counting. All right, Carlton. We're ready for you, Carlton. Carlton, let's read Carlton's part of his word problem. It says Carlton, everybody. Everybody say Carlton
Carlton
has.
has.
We don't know how many orange cubes does he have, do we? But Carlton can count his orange cubes on this other board and let us know how many orange cubes he has. So can you count your orange cubes on that board?
Pardon the interruption, would all 6th through 8th grade classrooms please report to the gymnasium at this time? 6th through 8th grade please report to the gymnasium at this time.
Carlton is counting his red cubes, and we're going to hear him counting those numbers. Thank you for bringing it over. Count your orange cubes, Carlton. Okay, come on, write your number 5. And Carlton's going to write his number 5 right here in his spot. All right, everybody. So now let's read our word problem or our story, okay? Everybody read it with me. Jeremy has 7 red cubes. Carlton has 5 orange cubes. How many in all? So how many all is telling us what type of math again? What word is that, Iman? Addition. So we have to put these together. So Jeremy, since this was your problem with Carlton, can you count how many cubes in all? Count them all together. Ready, Jeremy? You can use the pointer. Ready?
Ready.
Use your pointer to help you count. Everybody should be good listeners and watching Jeremy because you're going to be called up to do it also.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Very good. Aside, go sit in the green chair. How many again, Jeremy?
12.
All right, Jeremy, can you write that answer right there? Aside, go sit in the green chair where Vladimir was sitting. Showing our work because we don't do word problems. We have to show our work. So the first answer for the first number was 7, correct, class? What's the second number, Aside? What number is that? What number is that, Aside?
5.
5. And we're sitting here at our circle with a quiet mouth until I ask for volunteers to share something. So what's our answer again, Jeremy?
12.
12. Let's read our next sentence. And I don't have anybody else talking but myself or the person that's sharing. No one is yelling out, especially not somebody in the green chair.
Excuse me.
Ready, Timothy? Come on over. It's your turn.
I have no turn.
Yes, you do. Your name's up here. Pull that one over, Timothy, so I can get those cubes off of there. Pull the board over. Thank you, sweetie. You're a great helper today.
And me?
It's okay. Just push it over. Just push it over. It's okay to slid off. It's all right. All that matters is that we're trying our best, right?
Yes.
All right, Timothy.
He called
So
Timothy.
I know. Come on. You're gonna help me read the sentence this time. You're gonna use your pointer, okay?
Okay.
Come on over here. Timothy.
Timothy.
Everybody say Timothy
Timothy.
has blank oranges. Timothy, find your bag of oranges down there. Find the bag with oranges. Thank you, Timothy. So Timothy, open your bag of oranges and count them. Open your bag of oranges and count them.
Okay. Stop.
Open your bag of oranges and count them. And I know everybody's sitting on a carpet doing the right thing. It's all right. Timothy, they're around. They're going to roll. But put them back nicely on your board, okay?
1, 2, 3.
So count your oranges.
4.
I need to hear you count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many oranges do you have, Timothy?
5.
All right, can you come write the number 5 right here? Can you write the number 5 right here?
Hey, you lose my books.
Thank you, Timothy. Great job. All right, let's read the second part. It says Vladimir has blank bananas. We don't know how many bananas Vladimir has, do we? Vladimir, come find your bag of bananas. Come find your bag of bananas. Can you open your bag of bananas and count your bananas over here, Vladimir? You're going to help Vladimir count when he's done. But you got to be a good listener and wait patiently. Right, Jeremy? Nobody's singing on the rug because we're being a good listener. Right, Carlton? We're always doing the right thing, right? Vladimir, count your bananas.
1.
I need to hear Vladimir counting, so I need everybody else's mouths to be quiet.
4.
All right, Vladimir, come write 4. How many bananas did Vladimir have, class?
4.
Okay. So write 4 right here, Vladimir.
I'm not touching it.
All right, so in addition, what do we do again,
Put the
Joseph? What we do with 2 numbers? We're going to put them together. So Timothy and Vladimir, I need you to count all of your fruit together because that's what we do in addition, correct? I need you to count all of those together. Ready? Timothy and Vladimir, come on and count them. Ready? I'm going to use the pointer to help you.
2, 3, 4.
So he has 4, so let's continue to count. Ready, Timothy? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
So how many, what number is it, Timothy?
9.
How many? Oh, 9. Come on up, Timothy. I need you to write our answer. So all together, Timothy and Vladimir have 9 pieces of fruit. Can you write the number 9 right here? The number 9 right here. I like how everyone's sitting nicely. Thank you, Timothy. So while you're up here, you continue to be my helper. So we know that Timothy and Vladimir have 9 pieces of fruit. So let's read our sentence again, and you're going to help me with the sentence, okay? 1 second. Let's read our sentence again. Everybody read with me. Timothy has 5 oranges. Vladimir has 4 bananas. How many altogether, Timothy, was it? 9. So the first number is 5. Can you write that number 5 right there, Timothy? And our second number, Timothy, is 4. Can you write the number 4 right there?
No.
What was the answer, Timothy?
9.
Can you write the number 9 right there? So everybody, again, that's called showing your work. Thank you, Timothy. Great helper today. Wonderful. Come on over, Josiah. Come on over, Josiah. You're going to read your sentence.
Excuse me.
Yes, sweetie.
Timothy, you want time out, Timothy?
No.
And be quiet, please.
Ow. What?
Ready, Josiah?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Josiah's going to help Miss B read those sentences again. Right, Vladimir? Because we're being good listeners and we're doing the right thing on the carpet. Ready, Josiah? You're going to use the pointer and you're going to read the sentence with Josiah. Ready, everybody? It says Josiah has blank yellow cubes. So Josiah, find a bag of yellow cubes on the rug.
Miss B, I'll go bathroom.
Your turn is next. You can go to the bathroom, you're going to miss it. You're going up right next. Vladimir, your hand down 1 second. We'll be done in a second with the lesson. Everybody has to show appropriate behavior, which means good behavior on the rug.
What about me? He's saying that. Miss B.
I'm sorry, Josiah, because your classmates are being very rude when you're doing your work.
Miss B.
And that doesn't make Miss B very happy, and I know that doesn't make Josiah happy. He was quiet when you worked on your word problem so that you can tell your story. So you're going to show him that same respect. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, quiet. Let Josiah do his work. Josiah, can you count your yellow cubes, please?
Okay.
Count your yellow cubes. Because Josiah wants to show everybody he can work very well also. Right, Josiah?
Uh-huh.
Because you're an intelligent little man, right? Count your cubes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, Josiah. I already see 2 people that's not going to get those dinosaurs.
Me?
Because you're not doing the right thing on the carpet.
Me?
If you're playing, you won't get them. So Josiah, can you make a number 6 right here? And I'll help you make the number 6, sweetie.
The 6 look like this.
Okay, yes it does. Thank you, Josiah.
That looks like a 6.
That's okay. It's the best 6 ever. Miss B's just going to help you a little bit right here, okay?
But it's a better 6. Why?
Yeah, I just made it a little bit more than 6. Thank you. Wonderful job reading. Come on over, Joseph. You're going to read your sentence now.
Me?
Here's your turn. Ready, Joseph?
Yeah.
Use your pointer. Read your name. Everybody read with us. Joseph
Joseph
has...
has
How many blue cubes do you have, Joseph? You got to get your blue bag and count those cubes. You got to get your bag with the blue cubes in it and put it over there. You got to put it over there and let them see how many cubes you have. Everybody should be facing forward with their legs crossed, with their hands still. Right, Carlton? Thank you, Vladimir. Joseph, how many blue cubes do you have?
1, 2, 3.
Joseph, can you come write that answer?
3. I'm not doing 3.
Can you write 3 in your spot right here?
How do
I'll help you, sweetie. And I know everybody's being respectful to Joseph because he listened when you were doing your work.
Are we going? Okay.
All right?
I was very sad. I don't think that's special.
Ready, everybody? All right, so let's read the sentence again. And Joseph, you're going to still read. You're going to help me write the addition sentence, okay? All right, use your pointer to point to the words. Everybody read with us. It says Josiah has... I don't hear everybody's voice. We're going to start again. Josiah has 6 yellow cubes. Joseph has 3 blue cubes. How many do they have in all? So, Joseph, I need you to come over here and count all these cubes. I'm going to help you, okay, sweetie? All right, ready? Let's count yours. Use your pointer. Use your pointer. Count your blue ones.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Come on over. Come on, we got to write the number 9. Carlton, you can pick out the second green chair because you're talking to Vladimir. That's being rude to Joseph. Joseph, I'm so very sorry that he was talking. That wasn't being a good friend, was it? Come on over, sweetie.
No. Over here.
Cause you were listening. Yep, you're gonna make a number 9. Number 9 is this one.
Miss Butler, why is Assad sitting there?
Assad is sitting there because he had his legs crossed and he was using his sneakers as a drum.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna really have to talk to
9. So Joseph, we're gonna show our work now, everybody, right?
Yeah.
Hold your marker. So the first number we're gonna use, Joseph, is the number what?
Oh, 1,
6.
6.
Because that was Josiah. Josiah had 6 yellow cubes. We're gonna make the number 6 right here. And the second number, Joseph, is the number you have. What number did you have?
6.
What number is this?
7.
3.
3.
Say 3.
3.
Okay, and how many did you count in all, Joseph?
3.
What number is that? 9.
9.
9. So everybody, thank you so much. You were a great helper. Have a seat, sweetie. So today, everybody, in math, we read our word problems and then we solved them. We read our word problems, and that's our story for our word problems. And we figured out what the problem was. What was the question that they were asking? What did they want us to find out? And we went back to our story, and we used our objects to help us solve the addition word problem. Does anybody have any questions about how you solve addition word problems? You have any question, Vladimir? You have a question about what we did? What's the first thing we did, Vladimir? We read. Everybody said read.
Read.
The story.
Story.
And then we did what with our objects? What did we do with the objects? Did we throw them around or did we count them?
Count them.
And then we count them because we had to find out our information, didn't we? And then we took that information about our cubes of fruit and we did what with them? We had fruit
Put them
and fruit.
together.
And what did we do with the Joseph?
Put them together.
Timothy, we had cubes and cubes. What did we do with them?
Pull all together.
Aside, if we had fruit and fruit, what did we do with them? Jeremy, if we had cubes and cubes, what did we do with them? Iman, if we had fruit and fruit, what did we do with them? So when we have addition word problems, we're going to count the objects and we're going to put them together to get our total in all or sum. All right, everybody? Wonderful lesson. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your participation. All right. And now we're going to have some fun. Great job, everybody. So, Miss J,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
boys can come over and get their dinosaurs. And Iman, I'm going to take this tag off your ear
All the
of your
boys is on the
pony.
carpet. All the boys is on the carpet.
Carlton
They come.
and Assad are going to be the last two.
That's right. No, Assad, sit down. No, sit down.
So
Everybody
they
else
won't get their choice. They'll get what is left over.
Yeah.
And Joseph
No.
Joseph can
Timothy,
pick 2
back.
for himself and he can pick 1 for his brother Isaiah.
Come on. Pick 2.
Okay?
Timothy,
And you can clip it right on your book bag.
sit.
Yes.
Yes.
She
Okay?
told you 2 times and you didn't listen.
There's no way.
And if you're crying, you're really not going to get one.
Okay, let's go. See?
Iman, you could get one. I love dinosaurs and trucks and cars.
Yeah. She said she wants to get 1 for her brother.
Oh, okay.
And you know what, Iman, it's okay even if you want to keep it for yourself. It's okay. My daughter plays with all kinds of stuff.
Oh. What's his name? What's his name? Miss H. He's on that movie. He's on that show. The dinosaur.
So we're gonna finish doing our election day. We're gonna vote on puzzles, Legos, computers, or to watch the movie. All right? We just want to have fun this
No,
afternoon.
you wait.
Beautiful.
Hey, Riverdale.
Yeah.
Hey, Riverdale's art.
Oh, yes, it
I
does.
see.
Hey.
Look at
I
this.
see it.
Oh,
They're fighting?
cool.
Okay.
They are cool. Let me get out your seat.
No.
How about Carlton?
Okay, we have Assad.
Oh, wait a minute. We got you.
That's funny.
Okay.
Joseph, don't forget to get 1 for Isaiah.
Mama, like cotton.
Say 1 for Isaiah, okay?
Carlton.
Put Isaiah's in your pocket so he'll stay safe and you can play with yours. Or you can play with all three of them. Make sure you give him one. Yes.
I want 3.
Yes.
You don't want to give your brother one.
Yeah.
You go to your desk and play with it. You get your iPad in a few minutes, okay? You want an iPad? You want an iPad or you want to go on the regular TV?
Maybe you need to wait.
So have a seat, play with your dinosaurs for a few minutes and we'll give you an iPad.
Oh,
Well, play with those ones
So
first.
that's what we
Play with those ones first and then I'll go to other ones for you. Thank you for your hard work today. So go to your seat while we clean up and I'm going to take out some toys and stuff, okay? Hi, good afternoon. This is my reflection on my math lesson on addition word problems. The objective of the lesson was to have the students read and solve addition word problems. Each student was a subject in the addition word problem. Each student was given a separate set of manipulatives to use, and they were required to count those manipulatives and then model that number in the addition word problem. After the information that was missing was supplied in the word problem, they had to figure out what they had to solve for and then model their solution in an addition sentence. Each student was actively engaged in the task. They used manipulatives like the colored cubes, the different colored kinds of fruits that was different colors also, and different levels of scaffolding was used to assist them in reading and writing. The students in the class had multiple disabilities, so support was supplied as needed, but the actual counting and documenting and actually going through the steps of the word problems was left independent of them. The expectation for the lesson was that the students would be able to complete the task with 65% accuracy. Of the 10 students in the class, I actually got a proficiency rate of about 50%. So I would evaluate this lesson as a success for the students. And I would also use more differentiated tasks for them to continue to assess their abilities with the task. And just as a reminder, this is a lesson that culminated their instruction on addition word problems. It started off as mini lessons on Monday, and this is a lesson that was completed on Friday. And the steps for completing addition word problems were introduced to them in many steps. And this is the first lesson that actually culminated all of the steps all at once. So in my assessment as a teacher and as someone that was evaluating the students by the assessments of the thumbs up and thumbs down, which was the peer evaluation, I would evaluate this lesson to be a great success. Thank you.